Congratulations on acquiring your new asTech Digital ADAS system. This video will demonstrate just how easy it is to use this product and cover most of the questions you might have. First, complete a geometry check on the vehicle and adjust where necessary. Ensure that any new parts fitted have been coded and programmed, and then move the vehicle onto a level surface and center the front wheels. Connect a battery support unit to the vehicle and switch on. If the battery dies during the process, it could harm the module being calibrated and render it unusable. Secure the clamps to the front wheels, make sure the boards are level using the attached spirit level, then tighten. Next, plug the grey VCI device into the vehicle's OBD port and ensure the camera or radar is clean and not obstructed. Now turn on the vehicle's ignition, but do not start the engine. Once the red triangle appears and the digital ADAS is shown on the top left corner, the system is ready. Make sure the Windows bar has disappeared from the bottom of the screen. If not, turn the keyboard on and use the mouse pad to tap anywhere in the middle of the screen. Switch the tablet on and select the green and white Connex app. On the Connex home screen, select the lower right icon to access the list of manufacturers. Select make, model, year, and engine size, and the ADAS option. Now select the process required, whether it's camera, radar, 360, or blind spot. Follow the process-specific instructions and input the data where necessary. Once this has been completed, you should see an alert stating configuration complete. Make sure the ignition is still on and the VCI is still plugged in, and then calibration can begin. Next, tap the play button on the bottom right corner to initiate communication with the car. Now clear any fault codes that appear using the exclamation mark and cross icon located above the fault codes. Once the fault codes have been cleared, tap the spanner on the left-hand side to find the calibration process. Tap the process required, then tap Start on the right-hand side. Follow vehicle-specific requests, such as turning the engine on, to complete the adjustment process. The device will notify you when the adjustment has been completed successfully. For some vehicles, you may need to clear the fault code from the previous calibration, which is indicated by flashing red circle on the left. Now you know the vehicle has been calibrated and the ECU is clear of faults. Enter the vehicle details, including VRM, mileage, job number instead of owner's name, VIN number, and the technician's name in the notes section. Once the calibration is completed, you can produce a report by tapping the rectangle icon. Tap the next icon to produce your report. Always remember to save, send, and share your report where applicable. Once finished, tap the cross on the left-hand side, then tap the exit arrow on the top left green section. Choose whether you want to exit the diagnosis. Then it will ask you if you want to shut the system down. If yes, then the system will shut down and be ready for covering up and putting away. Using your asTech Digital ADAS system couldn't be easier. But if you do have any questions, contact our friendly technicians who will be more than happy to assist you.